What's up, everybody? And you're here to find out if Legendary Marketer is a pyramid scheme or a Ponzi scheme, however you want to call it. So we're going to dive right in. But before, my name is Mike Mack, and welcome to Mike Mack Media, where I go over how to start your own business, the tools that I use, the programs that I join, and all of that. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions of what is Legendary Marketer? Is it a pyramid scheme? Is it all of that? And the simple answer is no. So we're going to dive into my whiteboard, and I'm going to try to explain to you guys as simple as possible how this actually works and how you could actually start with Legendary Marketer for your very own high-ticket official online business, and you could actually start within the next 15 days. So without further ado, let's jump right into the computer. So what we have here is my whiteboard. So what a pyramid is this is me. And if I get somebody to buy, this is somebody else. If they make money, if this person makes money, then I'll make a percentage of that. That's actually not what Legendary Marketer is. And I'm going to show you right now. So let's just erase all of this. Okay, so how Legendary Marketer actually works is it's a training program. So let's say this is the training program. Now you could join Legendary Marketer for just $7. It's called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge. And I have a link down below in the description where you could join for just $7. It's one of the best places as a newbie to actually get started. So let's just get right into it. So you learn the 15 days. Let's put this up here, the 15 days. You learn about it. Then you become an affiliate. So now what happens, here's me. If I get somebody to buy, the training, I'll make a commission. Now, if this person gets 5 people to buy, these are people, sorry for my scribble, it is a whiteboard. But if this person right here gets 4 people, sorry, I did 4. If they get 4 people to buy, I don't make anything. This person keeps all the money. That's all theirs. I see nothing of that. All I get is the initial from this sale right here. And that's basically how Legendary Marketer works. So what you get with Legendary Marketer, you get 15 days of training. Sorry, that was my phone. I don't even know where it is right now. But you get 15 days of training. You get a free business plan advisor included in that package. You're going to get access to their private Facebook group where they do daily lives, helping people and interviews and all kinds of stuff with Dave Sharp. It's just like one of the best communities ever. If you have questions about the program or whatever, if you're stuck on something, you can either reach out to me, or you can just post it right into the community with Legendary Marketer and they'll answer it right away. So how does it actually work? We're going to jump back into the whiteboard in a second. I just had to clear something. So now back on the whiteboard. So what happens is you're going to learn a high ticket skill. So what that means, Legendary Marketer, why is this not working? Okay, there we go. So now, Legendary Marketer, what they teach you is to become a digital marketer. So now you have your traffic sources. So now, without getting into a lot of explanation, because it can be a little bit tricky to understand, especially if you're brand new, if you want more details one-on-one, go to mikemackmedia.com. It's going to be in the description below. And on that page, just click on to Facebook group. You're going to be invited. It's 100% for free. And then just ask me a question right from there or leave it in the comments below. I'll get back to you with whatever question that you guys have. So jumping back in. So now you have your traffic source. Let's put TS here, traffic source. And then what happens is you find people that could benefit from or want that certain product. In this example, we're using Legendary Marketer because it's a training course on how to actually start your own high ticket business online. So you'll find people, let's go right here. You'll find people that might be interested. And then you send them, because once you join and you become an affiliate, you get a special link that's going to be attached to you. So you send this person to the offer, and then you collect money if they buy. That's it. That's basically how affiliate marketing works in a nutshell. Like, it's very simple once you understand it. And a lot of people, once they don't understand, well, not once they don't understand it, but if they don't understand it, they start saying like it's a scheme, it's a pyramid, it's a Ponzi scheme, it's a scam, all of that stuff. And it's not. It took me 2 years of research and stuff to actually pull the trigger on a $7 product. And now I absolutely love taking the risk that I did. And especially with Legendary Marketer, they make you feel at home. They don't make you feel stupid at all. They help you and hold you by the hand. And if somebody buys more training within the program, because they do have a lot of offers and programs and trainings within that whole thing, that's not necessary to buy. But if somebody does want, you'll get the commission. So that's how Legendary Marketer works. It's a two-stop shop, if that's what you want to call it. You get the training that you need for $7. You ask your business plan advisor what you need to do to qualify to actually become an affiliate, so you could actually promote the product. You don't have to promote the product. There's tons and tons and tons of different products that you could promote using the skill that you're going to learn from Legendary Marketer. So it's not like you buy into the company and then you have to promote it. That's not it. You don't have to promote it. But learning that high ticket selling skill is very valuable to anybody that wants to start an online business. I'd rather sell one thing or two things a month and collect $3,000-$4,000 rather than have to sell 100 $10 products. And that's where Legendary Marketer shines, and I believe it's one of the greatest things I've ever done. If you guys want, go to my15daybusinesschallenge.com. You're going to see and meet Dave Sharp. There's a video there for you absolutely for free. When you put in your email, that's just going to put you on my list so I can stay in touch with you. But you're also going to get the invite to the Facebook group as well. So thank you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're still confused, just let me know in the comments and I'll do another video, or we can do a one-on-one. If you're interested in starting your own online business, just reach out to me. I don't bite, and I help everybody and anybody for free. That's not how I make my money. I'll never charge anybody for the help that I'm providing. There are tools that you can use. There's free ways, there's paid ways, there's a billion different ways to go, but I'll help you get set up in every single way that you want to go. Just reach out to me. And that's going to be it for this video. But like I said, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys on the next video. Thank you.